Two-factor authentication, not working on Empower Invest app fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the Empower Invest app, you're not alone. Many investors face this issue when logging in from new devices or after app updates. But the good news is, it's usually an easy fix. Start by checking your device's time and date settings. Two-factor authentication codes are time-sensitive, so even a small difference between your phone and Empower servers can make them invalid. Go into your phone settings, turn on set time automatically, and confirm your time zone is correct. Next, check your Authenticator app, whether it's Google Authenticator, Authy, or another one. In Google Authenticator, go to Settings, tap Time Correction for Codes, and select Sync Now. Once synced, try entering a new code in the Empower app. If you use some codes but aren't receiving them, turn off anything, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, and make sure Do Not Disturb is off. Also, verify that Empower's messages aren't being filtered or blocked. If you've changed phones recently or reinstalled your Authenticator, Empower might not recognize your new device. Tap Can't Access Your Code and follow the recovery process to verify your identity and reset two-factor authentication. Once you regain access, set up FO again for added protection. Finally, make sure your Empower app is up to date. Outdated versions can sometimes interfere with login processes. If you're already updated but still stuck, uninstall and reinstall the app to clear out any cached issues. Once you've completed these steps, syncing your time, verifying your Authenticator, and updating the app, your two-factor authentication should start working normally again. Remember, FO is your strongest line of defense against unauthorized access. Few quick adjustments can save you hours of frustration and keep your investment data safe.